Do you have quarters, anybody?
Bio.
Oh, do you have quarters?
I'm sure I do.
Oh.
Look at the chickens. Chick here, and a chick there, here a chick there, chick everywhere, chick.
Alright. Get some food. You gonna film? Yeah, you gonna film?
See, bio.
Now you gonna take the camera?
What's a bayou, go?
Rabbit. Her word for rabbit. Zoe, come on. You see? The rabbit? You wanna go say hi to rabbit? Wanna go? Daddy got some food.
Hey, look, Zoe.
Zoe, look at Daddy. Are you coming?
Oh, we can go in here.
Can you?
Yeah. I don't know if she's gonna want to go in there.
No, she doesn't. Look, let's go see rabbit. Come on. Zoe, come on. Yeah, bio. Yeah, meow.
Uh-oh.
Bio. Look at the daddy, Zoe.
You have the water, Zoe?
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
give it to mommy, baby.
The donkey.
Give it to mommy, baby. Mommy can hold it. I want to give it to mommy.
Yeah, I got the wrong food.
Look at the daddy, Zoe. Look.
Does?
Yeah.
Everyone goes to daddy.
Very popular.
Zoe, what about you?
Oh, hey. Is this a donkey?
That's the donkey,
We're
yeah.
not supposed to feed the donkey because the donkey's overweight.
Oh, he
Sorry.
doesn't look overweight.
Sorry.
Maybe that's not a donkey. I guess
Hey.
it is a donkey.
The donkey, look.
Bio. Tell the bio to come out. Come out, bio. Play with Zoe.
Young.
You want to come in here?
The llama is Pepper. Oh no, the llama is why isn't he waking up? Tell Bio to wake up.
Sorry, can't feed you.
Okay, you can stand on that.
You want to come in here?
Your bio, why you're not coming out?
I see.
Oh, sorry. You're not allowed to get fed. It's a little aggressive.
That